She bad and she know her name to your walk. She Coco in Boston, she moving too awesome. You thinking the flowers, like watch that girl blossom. And she got the power, look at her, you just can't have her. Cause that girl ain't average. Welcome to the Tia Walker Show!
Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Tia. If you are new here, if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back to my channel. I just want to tell everyone Happy New Year. It is such a blessing to be here. 2021 was a really long kind of, I don't know, I just felt like we dealt up with a lot in 2021. Not saying that it'll go away in 2022, but so many people that I personally know passed away in 2021, and it was just kind of really a sad year. I felt like I was going to funerals back to back to back, so I'm over it. So welcome to 2022. I hope everyone has set some goals, plan to accomplish those goals, figured out how they're going to accomplish those goals, and basically just made a plan for all the things that they plan to do in 2022. I don't want anyone sleeping on their potential this year, including me. So I'm sending all the positive vibes, all the love, and all the support to everyone out there. So today I am doing an unboxing of my iPhone 12 Pro Max. It has gotten the mail today, so I'm so excited to play around with it and get to see what it's like, the difference between the new phone and the old phone. I had the iPhone 12 Pro in this color here, which is my absolutely favorite color. I'm so sad that I had to switch. I was trying to go to the iPhone 12 Pro Max in this color because I really wanted to keep this color, but it was literally the same price as the iPhone 13 Pro Max, so I just said why not. So I mean, it's not that bad. It's a beautiful color, and I really look forward to doing a lot of content creating on my phone and just being one with my phone per usual. So so it comes in a box like this, which is really pretty. When you open it, obviously it is just like this, and this is the phone. So pretty. You just turn it around, it's like that. And yeah, in the box, you guys know that it no longer comes with the box that goes to the wall, so it's just a charger in here. So I don't know why they did that. That's dumb, but whatever, still gonna support. So I'm gonna just take this off, and so here it is. And then you can really see like the difference in the size. It's like completely bigger, so I'm feeling that. So I'm gonna just go ahead and cut it on just by pressing it to the sides. So I'm gonna just be honest with you guys. I already basically downloaded all my apps and did the backup and just restored my iPhone from the backup. So all of my things are on here, which will be super quick because that was just a whole process within itself. So this is my home screen. Let me put it on. So this is my home screen. I have money on there because one thing about me, I love my money and I love to get money. So I'm always thinking about it. I'm just put in my passcode. All right. Scroll over and okay, so oops, this is basically what my phone opens up to. So of course my map to work and all of my okay, wait a minute, we are gonna put this on do not disturb. Is it okay? Okay, so we're gonna put down do not disturb for a second because these apps are going crazy. Okay, so this is my home screen. So this is what my phone opens up to. These are, I don't really pretty much use any, well, I use my music app obviously. So my fan made my intro to my YouTube, so that's on there. I just downloaded that Gucci Man song. I really liked it. It came on Pandora, and just music, y'all know how that goes. Okay, we can start here. So this is just my finances and all the things that all my bills come from basically. So my resident portal, this one here controls my Wi-Fi. I can see who connects to it. If someone wants to connect, I can automatically send them the password to connect. This one here is my lights. This is to open the gate to my house. So like my apartment rather, if say I'm not home and someone's at my gate, I can open the gate for them to let them inside the gate, which I think is really cool. T-Mobile, Credit One, Capital One, my entrance to my car, and then AT&T for my streaming, for my TV. And then if you slide over, it goes over to this screen. So the verse of the day, which I always you know, read. And I guess I can read y'all a verse. So this one is, remember this, whoever sows sparingly will also reap sparingly, and whoever sows generously will also reap generously. So that means to give, and don't be selfish when you give, because when you give, it'll come back to you tenfold. All right, the weather in Dallas is 58 degrees right now. The battery to my iPhone, my AirPods and stuff was on here. I don't know where it goes, so I have to go back and edit that. And then obviously just the Dallas clock. Moving right along, so this is the second screen. So this one is more of my active screen. I'm more on the screen most of the time. So at the top I have Kindle, like it's a Kindle widget. So basically whatever I'm reading, it'll show at the top, so I can just click it and it'll open up to where I left off at. But obviously it won't do it on this one because I haven't logged in or anything. I just downloaded the app so that they will be there. And then I have here my Bible app and Bank of America app here. Credit Karma, because I like to check my credit to see how I'm doing. Instagram, which I have that there. Joey, her fine ass. And let's see, we're just gonna go to my page. So this is my Kieran page, which I plan on doing a complete rebrand this year. So I haven't started on that, so I'll be working on that very soon. My Twitter, if you follow me on, well, if you have a Twitter, you can follow me on Twitter. I'm pretty much active on Twitter every day. It's probably one of my favorite social medias because it's just, sometimes it be a lot, but it's just like sometimes you just be in your own world and you don't, like, I don't know, it's just different. Like you can be in your own world and not have to worry about seeing anything else or seeing anybody else unless you really want to. So I fuck with Twitter. I think we are at Pinterest. So yeah, basically most of these apps I have to log into because I have obviously downloaded them on a new phone, so I have to log back into all of them, which I haven't. Just mostly the ones that I normally use, like Instagram, Twitter, and Snapchat. All the other ones I have to like go back in. Obviously you guys know that. So the fitness app, I like the fitness app normally because I have it on my watch, so it tells me, like, let me show you. Okay, so it shows me like my rings for the day. So let me just take it off. Well, if I take it off, it won't show. So Jesus. Okay, so basically it's like this. So it'll show me my rings, and once you like close the ring, that means that you've met that goal for the day. So I really like that in this app. It's just like different people working out, and basically it's like a home trainer. So I'm interested to at least try one of the sessions. Maybe I'll do a YouTube video trying that with you guys, or showing you guys, you know, what's that like. And then down here I have my school apps, basically some of the apps that I use for school. I have to reorganize that because normally I have like my OneDrive in there, but it's not there for some reason, so I'm not sure. And then over here I have, basically I don't have anything there today, but normally like the things that I have to do, I would normally just put them on this list, and they will just show up, and I can just mark them out by the day. So I'm gonna just click that. I have to log into everything. This is terrible. Okay, let me just log in. All right, so I went ahead and logged in. So this is what it's like. So so basically I go to my day and I can like add a task, and I can put like, say, okay, let's do like workout in the morning. Workout, perfect. And so down here it just shows you like all the different things you can do. So you can mark like which day you want to do. Here you can mark if you want to put like a reminder for like a notification to remind you. And then here is where you can add it to a list. So if you want to, what, tomorrow morning, so So I will have it there like that, and then this is just adding it. So we're just gonna put done, and then boom, it'll pop up there like that. So then I can go here, and when I get to my home screen, this is what it'll show. So this will just show me, you know, all my tasks of what I have to do that day. And normally I have all my schoolwork there, so this will just remind me, you know, of the assignments that I have to do. So that is my to-do little work list thing. And then here is just my app library with just all the apps that I sometimes use but not really use as often. So all these are here. So yeah, that's about it. I don't really like to clutter my phone too much because I just get too overwhelmed with too many apps and like all the app notifications and stuff like that. So I don't really do too much of that. But yeah, for the most part, that's pretty much all I have on my phone. So at some point I am gonna get a case, and then I do have to take it to the store so I can get a screen protector on it, because I don't like to carry my phone without a case or without a screen protector. So I will definitely be doing that. But other than that, yeah, I'm excited about my new phone, and I can't wait to do all the cool things on it. So yeah, again, I want to wish everyone a happy new year, and I hope to see more of me, because I am planning on going harder this year, and I really want to show you guys what I'm about and be a little more open. So hopefully I can do that this year. But other than that, like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.